Some recipes don't need anything fancy, just fresh vegetables, coconut, and a little patience. Today I'm making a comforting Goan vegetable kurma, simple, homely, and full of gentle flavors. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half tablespoon of cashew nuts, 6 black peppercorns, 7 cloves, half inch of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. I'm adding all these ingredients to a mixer jar. Next I'm adding some water. I'll cover with the lid and grind. And here the masala is ready. We'll keep this aside for now. Here I have washed and chopped some vegetables. I've taken some green peas, some French beans, carrot, capsicum, some florets of cauliflower, and potato. I also slit 1 green chilli. I chopped 1 medium-sized onion and 1 small tomato. I will saute these ingredients. Next I'll place a kadai on medium flame, heat little oil in it. Add the chopped onion. Saute until it turns translucent. Now add the chopped tomato. Saute. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Next goes in the slit green chilli. If you want, you can add more green chillies. Now I'm adding salt. We'll mix this well. Here I'm adding the French beans, carrot, potato, green peas, cauliflower, and capsicum. We will mix this well. Add 1 cup of water or as required. Mix well. Now we will cover the kadai with the lid and let the vegetables cook. Stir in between. The vegetables are cooked well. Now I am adding 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 tablespoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Next goes in the ground masala. Mix well. Since there was some masala remaining in the mixer jar, I added water to it. Now I am pouring it into the kadai. You can add more water if required. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix well. Next I am adding half tablespoon of sugar. Add salt as per your taste and mix. Now I am covering the kadai with a lid and let it cook. The gravy thickens naturally and the flavors come together beautifully. This is a curry that tastes even better when eaten calmly. Goan vegetable kurma is ready. Turn off the flame. This Goan vegetable kurma is best enjoyed slowly with poee, bread, puri or plain rice. If you love coconut based gravies, comment a coconut emoji below and let me know what you would eat this with. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.